Hello, yeah, so we're on the M6 on the way to Telford for the Scale Model World. Never been to it before, wanted to go last year, but obviously it was cancelled due to one thing or another. Greg's here with me. Say hello, Greg.
Hello.
Yeah, so we're really looking forward to it. Hopefully we'll see some amazing models, we'll see some things for sale. Yeah, it'd be really nice to get out and maybe speak to some other people. Anyway, yeah, we'll see you soon. So we're about 10 minutes away now. Greg, what are you looking forward to most about today?
Seeing all of the like models and see if I like them. See if they're like a little bit cool or a little bit shiny. We'll see what they can do.
Okay, any particular kind of model, like, you know, planes or cars or ships?
Well, I think I kind of like all of them. I don't know which one.
Yeah, I'm very much looking forward to seeing other people's models, you know, because most of the ones I've seen over the last couple of years have been online. But also I'm looking forward to visiting some of the shops and stalls, because it will be great to see what products are available, and yeah, you never know, might even find something rare or unusual. Do you think so?
Yes. Well, we are definitely higher.
So there we were at Scale Model World 2021 in Telford. From what we'd been told by a few people, including Paul from International Scale Modeler, who we had a quick chat to, the attendance was quite a bit down on previous years, but that's not really that surprising considering the circumstances. Here's a selection of photos and short videos that I took from many of the different IPMS stands.
Yeah.
We spoke to so many scale modelers and saw some really amazing builds. If I go next year, I'd really like to get some of those discussions on video so I can share them with you on here. Also, whilst we were there, Gregory and I had a go at the make and take table, where we worked together to build an Airfix British male World War I tank. Think turn it around. We found this a lot of fun. We built most of it whilst we were there and did some of the painting as well. Now got it at home, and I'll show you how it looks like at the end of the video.
And then what you do is you let those set, and then it goes all nice and hard like that.
Yeah. Tells you.
So have you had fun today, Greg?
Yes.
What was the best model you saw, do you think?
All of them?
Very discerning. And how did you find making the tank?
Quite nice.
Something you'd want to do again?
Yes.
And what models did you get today?
A X-wing, but if you press his R2D2, he will work. He will make sound. And I don't know what it is.
A Harrier jump jet.
And a Harrier jump jet.
So I bought two kits whilst I was there. Firstly, I got this monogram kit. This was a real bargain. It was just £5, and I've never had a monogram kit before, so it'd be interesting to see what this is like. You can see it's very 80s with the kind of digital display text there. But this comes with ignition wire and flexible hoses, so should be a lot of opportunity to add some detail to that. I always really liked this sort of 80s and 90s generation of the Corvette. But yeah, very old kit. I think this kit's probably about the same age as me. You can see in there, this was from the kind of bargain, one of the bargain shops. See, whoever owned this before has tried sort of putting it together so that all the parts are in there. I have checked. Next I got the original 1976 version of the Tyrrell P34 six-wheeler in 1/20th scale from Tamiya. So yeah, you can tell that this is a pretty old version of the kit because it has an endorsement from Ken Tyrrell on the side, and Ken died 20 years ago, so that's that. Also on the other side you can see it's got some adverts for the Ferrari 312T the McLaren M23 and the Brabham BT44B. That one in 1/12 has just been reissued actually, but something else that shows that this is quite an old release is that you can see there the cigarette advertising on that. It does have all the bits, some of them are spread out a little bit, and yeah, it's interesting. Might be a date on here somewhere that tells me when this one was produced. But yeah, one of my favourite Formula 1 cars. When you do the make and take, they give you this great little cardboard hanger, and lots of things to take home in there, like paints, brushes, the instructions, that sort of thing. And yeah, here is the still slightly incomplete World War I mail tank. But yeah, Greg actually, he was a bit nervous about doing the camouflage, but he got really into it in the end. And yeah, it's still missing the bit at the back. I think it's like a kind of steering part. But yeah, nice that it comes with the rubber tracks. And these don't move because we have to glue them in place to stop them from falling out. But yeah, I might add some weathering to that in the future. But yeah, I really enjoyed going to Scale Model World this year. So did Greg. Really hope to go next year as well. Who knows, I might even see some of you there next year. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Comment down below, especially if you went or if you are planning to go in the future. And I'll see you soon.